Hello, everyone. Today we are going to take our homework. It is a reading comprehension activity and it consists of a weekly planner. You have to read the weekly activities and then answer if these sentences are true or false. First of all, he goes out with friends every evening. And if you check here in the planner, it is false because he goes out 3 evenings a week. Okay, on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Two, he goes to the library every day. No, because if you check the planner, he goes to the library once a week. When? On Tuesday afternoon. He goes shopping once a week. It is true. He goes shopping on Monday. He takes guitar lessons on Wednesday morning. Of course, it is false because it is on Wednesday afternoon. Let's go to Wednesday. Here you can see he plays tennis twice a week. Let's see tennis lessons. It is false because here it says that only on Saturday. It means once a week. He does the laundry 3 times a week. It is false, of course, only once. Sunday. He sees his parents on weekends. Yes, it is true. Here, he has dinner with mom and dad. Finally, he cleans the house on Saturday morning. True. Um, okay. So if you go to Saturdays, here it says that he cleans the house. Very good. There, there are some questions that you have to answer. Pay attention to the WH word in order to answer in a very way. So, how often does he go to the gym? He goes to the gym twice a week. The question is how often, so you have to answer with, you can answer with a frequency adverb of, you can answer how often it is. When does he have classes? He has classes on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The question is when, so you say when, you can say the days of the week. How often? Again, does he go to the club? He goes to the club once a week. You can see here, only on Saturday. You can't say on Saturday because the question is how often. What does he do on Thursday evening? Let's go to Thursday evening here. He has dinner with Sandra. What does he do? He has dinner with a friend. Okay. When does he go to the movies? The question is when. So you have to say a date, the day or the date or the time maybe. He goes to the movies on Friday evening. And then what does he do on Saturday afternoon? What activity, So he plays tennis. On Saturday afternoon. You can say that with Bob, but the most important information here is that he plays tennis. Who does he play tennis with? Okay, who? So you have to mention a person here. He plays tennis with Bob. And finally, where does he go on Saturday evenings? Okay, the question here is that WH word is where. So we have to answer. He goes to the club. Okay, guys, thank you very much.